KP's Kingdom, cooking with KP, and today I'm going to show you how to make the best chicken meatball pasta ever. This was a complete accident recipe. As soon as I took my first mouthful, quickly wrote down exactly what I did. Let's get on with it. So I've got a packet of chicken sausages. I've just squeezed the meat out and made a whole bunch of little tiny meatballs. Right, just chicken sausages from your local supermarket. Get them from your butcher if you like. Squeeze them out in little balls. They're going to go into the oven around about sort of 10 to 15 minutes. That's how quick these things cook. 180 degrees. Right, they're all done. Let's start making up our pasta. So I'm going to show you in a wok because it just films really good. You use just a normal fry pan or a saucepan. Right, a good knob of butter. We're going to put that in. I'm going to add in 500 grams of sliced mushrooms. I'm buying them sliced these days just to make it a little bit easier for me with my MS so I don't chop the fingers off. You can just buy normal mushrooms and give them a slice yourself. So I'm going to put those in and let those sort of start to wilt down. There's a lot of moisture in those and they'll take a little bit of time, but all that moisture will come out of those mushrooms all in good time. As you can see, they're starting to wilt down a little bit there. So about halfway through the process, I'm going to throw in 8 rashers of bacon, which I have finally just sort of sliced up into nice little chunks. Okay, you can see the little size of the chunks there in the bowl. I'm going to put that in. It's going to give this pasta a really nice smoky flavour. Around about 1/8 of a cup's worth of mixed Italian herbs, right? Just the ones you buy from the local supermarket. These work great. Alright, so give all that a good stir through from time to time. Right, just let the mushrooms do its thing. The bacon's going to sort of cook off and release its fat as well. Okay, so just keep giving that a stir from time to time, as I said. You can see the moisture starting to come out of the mushrooms there on the bottom of the pan. Alright, I'm also going to add in a bit of salt, a bit of pepper to taste. Right, you can add as much or little of that as you like. Right, I'm going to add in around about 5 cloves of garlic. Right, fresh garlic crushed through in a little garlic press, and we're going to put that in as well. You could use garlic paste if you want. The fresh garlic in this one is a little bit stronger and gives you more of an authentic type of a flavour. As you can see, that moisture is still coming out of those mushrooms. Now, all our little meatballs, as I said, they're already cooked. They don't take very long at all, and we're simply just going to put those straight in with the rest of the mixture. Right, they are cooked, so we're basically just going to need to reheat those. It's how quick and easy this dish is to do. You can do this dish in about 20 minutes from start to finish. Mrs. KP's already getting some penny pasta cooking on the other side of the kitchen. I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons worth of tomato paste concentrate. Alright, this gives you just a nice light tomato type flavour. Gives you just that nice little balance of acid and sweetness to this dish. Give all that a good stir, just like that. And we don't have a lot of liquid in this pasta at the moment, or this dish at the moment, and I'm going to start adding in some cream. In total, I'm going to add in 600ml or a pint of cream. That's going to go in just like that, and as you can see, it's a really liquidy type sauce. Right, and we want that to be nice and runny so it'll flow through the penny pasta a lot better. And we're going to reduce that down a little bit, and we'll cook those mushrooms off just a little bit more. It won't take very long at all, and we're going to add in our penny pasta just like that. Mrs. KP's already cooked that up for me, and if you don't know how to cook pasta, just get the packet, turn it over, read the back of the pack. It'll tell you how to cook your pasta. Right, we're going to give all of that a good stir. That creamy, tomato, mushroomy, garlicky, bacony sauce is going to flow all the way through that penny and fill those up. All we have to do now, serve that up just like that. I'm serving that up in a consomme bowl, and a little bit of fresh grated parmesan or pecorino cheese over the top just to finish it off. How easy was that to do? Love to see you try and make this one at home. It does taste amazing. I don't know how what made the change in flavour, but it just worked. So I thought I'd film this one for you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Really do appreciate it. If you like this video, hit that like button. It gives me confidence and makes you feel warm and fuzzy too. Share this video with all your friends on all platforms of social media. We are trying to get Noma KP's Kingdom out there. Hit that notifications bell to be notified every time a new video goes up. And please leave a comment. Love reading and love responding to them. If you want to learn how to make some real quick, easy little pasta dishes and other things like that, just like this one, well, you need to come and join the family, my family. Hit that subscribe button and you'll never miss another one of my videos again. After this amazing best chicken meatball pasta, and I will catch you next time. Bye.